Cousins, welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how the iPhone 17 Pro Max is made step by step.
The microscopic circuits are precisely etched onto the silicon wafers, then meticulously balanced for maximum performance and efficiency.
The temperature on chamber 3 is spiking again. We're losing the doping ratio.
It's the precursor flow. Adjusting the pressure now, it should stabilize.
Every logic board is assembled and soldered with absolute perfection, ensuring the vital connections for performance.
This phase covers the integration of the custom battery and the sophisticated internal thermal architecture.
Advanced thermal engineering is key to maintaining peak performance during demanding tasks, like gaming or 8K video recording. This phase focuses exclusively on the most delicate components, the ProMotion display and the advanced camera module assembly.
The advanced camera system requires cleanroom conditions and sub-micron precision for perfect optical alignment.
Before the device leaves the line, all internal sensors are individually calibrated against laboratory-grade standards for optimal performance. This phase details the steps taken to ensure the device is aesthetically perfect and protected before packaging. The final touch ensures the phone reaches the customer in pristine condition, untouched since it passed its final quality checkpoint.
Before packaging, every device undergoes rigorous functional, drop, and water resistance testing to guarantee flagship quality.
The custom-designed speakers and noise-canceling microphones are tested across the full audible spectrum to ensure unparalleled spatial audio performance. This phase details the steps taken to ensure the device is aesthetically perfect and protected before packaging.
And that's how the iPhone 17 Pro Max is made, from the raw aluminum ingot and microscopic silicon wafer to the stunning orange device you hold in your hand.
Subscribe for more factory tours and process documentaries. Watch our next video on future topic.